This techno language software for the automatic execution of production calculations was developed in the Embarcadero RAD Studio Delphi XE7 programming language. Today, the RAD Studio programming assistant stands out for its many benefits, many functions, conveys programming capabilities for several operating systems, and continues to grow and improve with daily updates and new versions. Today, there are already two rounds of updates over the aforementioned XE7 version, the already latest of which is called RAD Studio 10.3 Rio. Our raw material accounting program developed in XE7 has been completed and debugged in the new release at the same time, although the core script was written in the XE7 version. The program also used the capabilities of the latest version of RAD Studio, new functions, auxiliary tools, components for the reporting system, and other options. This feature is one of the great perks of RAD Studio. All reports in the program are executed in the fast report reporting system. The components of the fast report reporting system include the ability to design many objects in the report, the ability to filter, read, print data from the base, the ability to write special script or Pascal codes that affect the report, as well as preview reports and various extensions. In our program, almost all the capabilities of this reporting system are fully and appropriately used. A total of 21 windows were designed and a total of 172,000 bytes of programming code was written to the select the appropriate line from the list shown in the image above and press the edit button to make changes to this line or the break button to delete the line. Where information exists, there is also the issue of ensuring its security, because the theft of information or complete or partial damage to information, loss of information can expose the organization to great losses. There are also several ways to ensure its security. The raw material accounting software includes some options aimed to ensuring the security of the database, data on raw materials and programs, income, expenditure data, reporting history, and other data. In the program, a copy of all the necessary data can be created in a specified period of time. A specified address, and in case of damage to the primary structure, the basis can be restored from the created backup copies. With the help of some algorithms, the necessary part of the database are encrypted and stored in the program. When read in the program, it is decoded again. This allows the information to remain anonymous to other users even if it's stolen. To prevent other users from accessing the data, a username and password are requested, and each user has access to zone defined within the program. In case each user can operate only in the channels allowed to him. When processing synchronously on multiple computers on a local or global network, each user computer sends an HTTP command line to the server computer, indicating that it wants the necessary information. The server then reads the incoming command line, returns the response to the user. For security reasons, the username and password are sent together in the command lines that the user sends to the server, and in this case, the server, on the basis of the information, conducts an analysis whether the user is actually authorized to read the requested information or not. If the user is authorized, the server returns a response, but not uh, but not an error message is sent. Another thing to note here is that even if the user has a valid username and password, this login attempt will still expire. That is, the respective user has to re-enter his username and password at certain intervals.